Today we're going to be running through the cell extraction process for any law enforcement kind of competition you have in your area. First thing we're going to be starting is showing you how to enter the inmate's cell. Some tips we would like to share is before entering the cell, the shield position would knock on their shield, letting the team leader know that they are ready to enter the cell. After that, a taser or pepper spray could be initiated, and then the team will run or rush in. Make sure that you're leveraging the top of your shoulder underneath the armpit to limit movement of the inmate, while securing the rest of the arm by slightly bending the hand towards the inner arm to cause discomfort but not pain. The inmate will only feel pain if they continue to struggle or refuse to comply. After you turn around, using the same technique as before, lower the inmate. Once the inmate has been placed on their stomach, use the knee to push onto the upper arm in order to limit movement and bring the arms towards the middle of the back. Make sure that the cuffs are on the right way and not forget to double lock. Lift the prisoner up and wait for the shield to frisk them before walking to the desired location. When you're grabbing each leg, make sure to hold on to their thigh area to increase control and limit movement. Then when it's time to flip, make sure that you always have at least one arm around the leg until you're fully turned around, and then you can use both. When lowering them, put one arm behind their knees so they can bend it and use the other arm to push the bottom of their leg inwards until they're on the ground. Then both partners put weight on the legs while one puts leg irons on, ensuring the lock faces them. Leg irons are supposed to be relatively loose, just not too loose that the chain will drag. So ensure that the leg irons aren't too tight and they're a happy medium. Then double lock the leg irons. Lastly, we're going to get back up, hold onto the arms nearest the cuffs, and continue to walk to the desired location. The shield position will then frisk the inmate for weapons or other items strapped to their body. Then, as the officers are leaving the cell, they will identify themselves for documentation purposes as the team leader holds up the camera and escorts the individual to their holding cell.
What's the safe word? Pineapple. Come in. I know, right?